Finding derivatives using shortcut methods.
First shortcut. Our first shortcut is about polynomials with 1 as its denominator. So we have example number 1. 3x squared plus 8x plus 25. In the shortcut method, we just have 3 steps, unlike compare with the 4 steps in the regular method, which are complicated. So we just separate every monomial. So we have 3x squared, 8x, and 25. So first step, we just multiply the coefficient with the exponent. So 3 multiplied by 2. Then, second step, we subtract 1 from the exponent. So we have 2 minus 1. Then do it with the rest of the monomial. So 8 multiplied by 1, x, 1 minus 1. If it is a constant number, then the derivative of it is 0. So, third step is to simplify the equation. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. X, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Then 8 times 1 is equals to 8. X, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So 8, 0 raised to 0 is equals to 1. So our answer is 6x plus 8. And there you go. So, we proceed to the second example. We have 4x cubed plus 8x plus 18. So, example number 2. 3 multiplied by 4, we have 12. X, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Plus 8 multiplied by 1, we have 8. Then x, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have 12x plus 8. So we proceed to example number 3. We have 4x raised to 4 plus 30x squared plus 4x plus 5. So we have 4 multiplied by 4, we have 16. Then bring down x. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Plus 30 multiplied by 2 is equals to 60. Bring down x. 2 minus 1, we have 1. Then plus 4 multiplied by 1, we have 4x raised to 0. Plus, because it is constant, we just write 0. So, our answer will be 16x cubed plus 60x plus 4. That's the final answer. We proceed to the second shortcut. Second shortcut. The second shortcut is about fractions, but take note, it is just applicable with binomial by monomial, binomial by binomial, and monomial by binomial. So we have example number 4. We have x minus 5 over x minus 3. The steps here are, first we need to crisscross this one. So we multiply x by 3, by negative 3. So we have negative 3x. Then just subtract the product of x multiplied by negative 5. So we have negative 5x. Then the denominator will be the square of the denominator. So x minus 3 squared. So we have negative 3 plus 3x plus 5x over x minus 3 squared. So we just simplify the numerator and the denominator. So negative 3x plus 5x, we have 2x. And then we just square the quantity of x minus 3. The shortcut in squaring a binomial will be like this. So first, the first term will be the square of the first term. So x raised to 2 will be x squared. Then the second term will be 2 multiply the product of the first term and the second term. So x multiplied by negative 3, it is negative 3x. Then multiply by 2, we have negative 6x. Then the third term will be the square of the second term. So negative 3 raised to 2 will be plus 9. And there you have it. So we proceed to the example number 5. Example 5. We have negative 5 plus 2x over negative x plus 5. By this, we need to arrange the term by their x's. So we move it in the first term. So we have 2x minus 5. We just interchange the position of the two terms. And we have x plus 5. So we proceed to the crisscross. 2x multiplied by 5, we have 10x. Then subtract the product of negative x and negative 5. So we have positive 5x over, just square it, negative x plus 5 squared. Then just simplify the equation. So we have 10x minus 5, we have 5x over the denominator. So first, we need to square negative x, and we have x squared. Then twice the product of the first term and the second term, we have negative 10x. And then square the second term, we have plus 25. This is the final answer. So we'll proceed to the third shortcut. Third shortcut. Example number 6. The third shortcut is about the radicals. So we have 2x plus 1. So in this, first do the first shortcut, the derivative method for the multinomial. So we have 2 multiplied by 1, we have 2. X raised to 0 because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 2 over the denominator will be twice the given. Then just simplify it if you can. So 2 divided by 2, we have 1. The answer will be 1 over the square root of 2x plus 1. That's the final answer. So example number 7. Example number 7, we have the square root of 8x plus 5. So do the first shortcut. So 8 multiplied by 1, we have 8. X, 1 minus 1, then it will turn out to 0. So we have 8x raised to 0 is equals to 8. And then, denominator will be 2 multiply the given. That's our final answer.